How to turn on screen recording in Windows 7 laptop. Easy step-by-step guide. Expanded guide. If you want to record your screen on a Windows 7 laptop, keep in mind that Windows 7 doesn't include a built-in screen recording feature. You'll need to use a free screen recording application like OBS Studio. First, open your web browser and download OBS Studio from its official website. Once the download is complete, install the program by following the on-screen instructions. After installing, launch OBS Studio. In the Sources section, click the plus icon and choose Display Capture to record your entire screen. If you only want to record a specific application, select Window Capture instead. Click OK to confirm your selection. Next, make sure your microphone is enabled if you want to record your voice along with the screen. You can also adjust the audio settings before you begin recording. When everything is ready, click Start Recording. OBS will begin capturing everything happening on your screen. Perform the actions you want to record, and when you're finished, return to OBS and click Stop Recording. Your video will be saved automatically to the default recordings folder. You can open it, watch it, edit it, or upload it wherever you like. That's how you can easily record your screen on a Windows 7 laptop using a free screen recorder.